Filtering a drawing or using layers. So when you're dealing with complicated drawings, they can get very congested. On this particular drawing here, I have done several lines of takeoff, and we can see under system here, I have broken this down with distribution and lighting. So I have some distribution items in here, and I have some lighting items in here. This is all managed through the breakdowns where I can create different systems and then organize my takeoff to those systems. If you've already done takeoff that you need to reassign to some new system, you can highlight it, right click on it, select reassign, and assign it to whichever system you want it to go into. That being said, what we can do now is up here on the audit trail, there are filters underneath the breakdowns. So if I want to isolate out on my drawing what is only associated with lighting, for example, I can select lighting here and it will hide everything else. If I want to see just what is in distribution, I can select distribution and it will hide everything else. And same with my audit trail. It will exclusively show items associated with distribution. If I want to go back and see everything, I can select this blank space at the very top of the dropdown, and that will again show me everything on the drawing.